Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a regular subscriber, thank you for coming back and thank you for sticking around. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome and I hope you stick around. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also give this a thumbs up if you like this video. So today I'm just going to do a very quick video talking about the hair that I have on. It's just a crochet braid using Xpressions. Actually, I made this hair yesterday and I just wanted to talk about it in case you wanted to do the same. So this is the hair that I used and it is the Ruwa pre-stretched braids. I'll insert a clip on the hair just before I used it, just so you can see what it looked like. So I purchased 2 packs and I used the color I chose is number 2. And what else? What was the length? It was 24 inches, but I kind of split it into 2, so that's why it's short. Now, this hair, this is my first time of using Xpression Canicalan kind of hair to do crochet braids. And I can let you know that it's not very easy. You might see it, people doing it in videos. I think, oh, this is so easy. No, it's not, because it's straight. So when you're doing the loops, because you have to do the loops a couple of times just so it stays properly, it can be quite challenging. Honestly, it can, but somehow I managed to do it. I used invisible what's it called now, the invisible method in the middle, and it was such a struggle. If I had known, I'd have bought more packs, because you really don't want to be managing hair. And the problem is you can't find this hair easily. It's only sold in quite a few stores online. I don't know about working in stores. I actually went to some stores to see if I could buy an extra pack, and it was difficult to find. And I didn't want to buy a normal Xpression because then I have to pull it, and honestly I didn't want to do that. But yeah, this is how the hair looks like. I'll just take it down and just so you can see. So it's pretty, it's an okay hair. Of course, it sheds a whole lot. My whole floor is a mess, but it is nice. It's very, what's the word now? It's a very quick style. Like if you want to do, let's say you don't want to go in to have your hair done, and it's kind of an in-between style. But that's how it looks. It's quite okay. Like, maybe I should have had a leave out, just to make sure it would have been a bit easier to manage. I don't know. I didn't film doing it because it was my first time and I didn't know if it was going to be ending in a disaster, which honestly, it was difficult for me to do. But next time I'm going to film it and talk to you, maybe to do a thought through of how the hair wears up. So far, all I can say is that it does shed a lot. I didn't cut it a lot. When I cut it, I actually pulled it out and did a proper comb. I haven't put any products on it just yet because I don't want to weigh the hair down, and I don't want, I don't want it to look messy. But so far, I only put hairspray just so it stays in place. I actually really like it. It's very light, like it feels so light. When I had my crochet braids, they were slightly heavy, especially on the day you make it. After a while, it gets better. But yeah, with this, I like it. And I'm going to do maybe another video showing how I installed it. Maybe not this hair. I might use Marley braids or Marley twists, because those ones, when you're looping it in, it stays and you don't have to loop it in 100 times just so it stays. But this one's slightly slippery, but I feel like the outcome is so much better. But yeah, this is such a quick review, just in case you wanted to know a little bit more about using this extension. I don't know how it would feel using it for normal braids or twists, but it is very slippery. That's just what I have to say. It's very slippery, and that's why it was challenging fixing it in. But other than that, I think the outcome is pretty good. It's light. I wish I could have made it a bit fuller. Maybe next time I'm going to order maybe 4 packs just so it wouldn't be difficult. But yeah, that's it. Nothing much to say. So far it's been okay. I haven't used any heat on it just yet because it's stretched, but I don't know, I don't want to play around with it because it's just felt like too much hard work putting it on. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.